Hey guys, okay, so we are off to take Pie to the cleaners. See her back there? And then I have to get my hair done. So I'm gonna take her to the cleaners. There's a Walmart, a neighborhood Walmart right next to where the cleaners is. So I'm gonna run over there and I'm gonna get my gluten-free flour that I need and some toothpaste, and then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna make my juice, and then I have to go back to town. I know it's too many trips to town, but I have to go back to town and get my hair done and get some dog food and some cat food. Anyways, we got a lot to do today, so I'll be back. Hey guys, welcome to this week's vlog. I think I already did a welcome in when we were going to town, but I didn't tell you what I got, and I don't remember now, but I'll still put that in there. I'm gonna be making these pumpkin pecan pies for Thanksgiving, and I know that you're not gonna see this till after Thanksgiving, but you might wanna make them for Christmas, so that's what we're gonna do. So let's get started. I have all the ingredients set out right here. I just had to redo my camera so I could be in the picture for a minute, and then I'm probably gonna turn it so I'm not in the picture so you can see what I'm doing. Anyway, we're gonna start off with the eggs. I have 4 eggs here, so I'm gonna whisk these eggs together. Can you see? There. And just give them a good whisking just so that they're all mixed up. And then we're going to add the dry ingredients. I'm mixing all the dry ingredients together. I have 1.5 cups of sugar here. And I'm going to add a teaspoon of, let's see, I'm going by the directions kind of on the can. I'm making 2 pies too, so if you make this and you only want 1 pie, you just need to cut everything in half. So I want 1 teaspoon of salt, and I think that's a teaspoon, so we're gonna put that. Seems like a lot of salt to me, but that's what it says. All right, there we go. Oops, I was gonna put it in here. Oh well, messed that up. Okay. And 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. You know, these Sam's Club cinnamons and spices are so nice, but they're hard to get out because they're so deep. I mean, it's nice getting so much at once, but there's 1. And 2. And 1 teaspoon of ginger. And 1/2 teaspoon of cloves. And this is ground cloves. And then I am going to put, because I like spicy stuff, a little bit of pumpkin spice too. Like 1/2 teaspoon, or whatever this is. I think it's 1/2. And that's it, and I don't have any idea which lid goes with what. And it doesn't really matter, right? They're all the same, kind of. Okay, and now I'm going to pour, is that all the ingredients? Let's see. Salt, cinnamon, ginger, cloves, pumpkin spice, and sugar. All right, I'm gonna add all that in here. And stir it all together. with the eggs. Then I'm going to start adding the pumpkin in. And it's this whole thing. This is a 29-ounce can, yes. And then, even though it doesn't say to do this, I'm gonna add a little bit of vanilla. Because you can never have too much vanilla, right? All right, so let's get this in there. Kind of mixed in. I probably shouldn't use a whisk for this. I should use my spoon. But I'm not. Can you guys even see it? Yep. Okay, good. All right, I'm gonna switch to the spoon now. And I'm gonna add a teaspoon of vanilla. Just because I think that'll be good. And I'm gonna stir that in a little bit. And then I'm gonna start adding my condensed milk, which I have 2 cans of condensed milk here. And it's 24 ounces, because it's supposed to be 3 cups. There's 8 ounces in a cup, right? I hope so, because that's what I'm counting on. I'd rather not mess these up. And then I'm going to add my second can. This is a 6-cup measuring cup thing. So I'm going to get this all stirred in. And then I'm going to set this aside. So I have 8 tablespoons of melted butter. I am going to add in some brown sugar and some flour. I need 4 tablespoons of flour. This is a 2 tablespoon spoon. So I need 2 of these. Oh, that was 1 cup of brown sugar and 4 tablespoons of flour. And I'm just gonna whisk this together. Doesn't look like it wants to whisk. Oh well, it's working. Just got to get all the lumps out of the brown sugar. I'm going to add my cup of pecans that I have right here. And I'm just going to toss them on top for now. And then I'm going to set this aside. So now I'm going to take these guys that are at room temperature. So I'm just going to take them out, unroll them over my pie pan, plate, bowl, whatever this is. Get it all rolled out. And then Make sure it's all the way against the bottom. My fingernails are making holes. Gotta make sure you get it all the way against the bottom, otherwise it will crack. And especially with a pumpkin pie, you don't want it to crack. And if it's not like even, you can just scoot it over. I don't really know how to make these little pinchy things. What do you think? Bentley's cooking show. Can't even see my base. Bentley's cooking show. I have to make peanut butter chews after this. I think I made those for you last year though, so I'm not gonna make them on camera. I'm just gonna make this. This should be long enough, right? There, good enough, right? Okay, so now I'm going to put these together. I'm going to pour this. First, I'm going to stir it one more time. And then I can see that I've got, oh, this is an 8 cup. Did I say it was a 6 cup? I thought it was. No, it's 8 cups. And it's got actually a little more than 8 cups in it right now. So, I'm going to try and pour it down to 4 cups. That doesn't look like that's not enough. All right, that's enough. Okay, so now maybe it's too much. So, we got a lot of pie here. Gonna be so good though. It smells good. Now we're gonna put the pecan topping on the top. Okay, so now I'm just gonna take my pecan topping that we made, scoot this over just a little bit, and stir these in to the brown sugar mixture. And then I'm just gonna kind of cut it in half so that I know when I get half of it done, I have to put in the other pie. And basically all I'm gonna do is drop it in. I forgot to cut it in half, didn't I? Better do that. There. Now I'll know when I have enough on one pie and I can switch to the other one. Kind of hard to tell where you've got it because it kind of sinks. But I'm just going to keep adding it till I've got all one side done. And that's about that for that side. I'm going to do this side or this one the same way. I'm going to go around the outside first, just so I know. This should kind of melt and bake in. It's gonna be so good. Dig out the rest of this goody stuff. All right. Okay, guys, now I'm going to put these 2 pies in the oven at 425 for 15 minutes. And then I'm going to turn it down to 350 and cook them for approximately 45 more minutes. So I will come back when they're done. Okay, guys, they're done. This is what they look like. And I'm just getting ready to to cut them. They have been cooling for like 2 hours. That's what it said to let them cool. So I'm just gonna cut it and then we're gonna have a taste. I'm really not very good at this. So how'd you like, what did I call it? Bentley's cooking show? That's what we're gonna call it, Bentley's cooking show. I went ahead and made my peanut butter chews. I don't remember if I showed them to you guys or not last year. I don't know if it cut all the way through. Hope so. It's gonna be a mess if it didn't. Kinda did. Oh, but there's one little part. That's okay. My husband's piece out. Maybe that'll be my piece since I'm the one that has to try it on camera, and the other piece kind of fell apart a little bit. Put that over there. Okay. I want to make sure I get some of the pecan in there. It's good. Yep, it's delicious. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I should need to squat down here. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Follow me on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. Don't forget to use your Rakuten. Go down to my link below and sign up. It's free to sign up and it's free money, especially during the holidays. They always have like special times when the percentage is higher of the money back. So it's a good time. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos, and I will see you in my next video. Stay cool.